Hi everyone and welcome back. And today I have an unboxing. As you can see, it's Diamond Art Club. Yeah. This is the other one that I have been waiting forever to get. Let's get to it and open her up and see what we can do. What it looks like. Oop. Nice white box. Yay. Shipment, invoice, paper. If everybody's ready. Came in a nice pink box. I love them pink boxes. They are pretty. And it is Wolf Dreamcatcher from Diamond Art Club. I'll open it up so you can see it better and get rid of them scissors so I don't cut myself. Feels a little heavy, just a little. It is a 42 by 60. There's the canvas and the drills. They're kind of heavy. They got some special drills in there too, which is cool. Came with the usual Diamond Art Club, what do you call it? Diamond Art Club tool bag. 2 things of wax. We got plastic bags and a tool or thing and a squishy. I got a blue pin and a blue squishy, and I was looking to see if it had the not seeing. Oh, yep. And the illustrious 3-placer. Woohoo! Yeah, I got this feeling that there's going to be some black in this one. Let me get these put away. But that's your normal toolkit. I really like them. I'm keeping them together in case I need them. But I've got like 10,000 toolkits. So, but we'll keep Diamond Art Club with them. We'll get rid of the box. It is Dreamcatcher, and it doesn't say. I don't know who did this. I want to say JoJo Art, but I might be wrong. Let me go look. Hang on. It's made by Sylvania Meister. I don't know if that's how you say that or not. Let me turn it the other way so it'll lay flat. I know eventually it'll lay flat. It has the opaque cover. It also came, I'm getting these lately, I don't know what the deal is. It's the key, and it's separate. I like that. I can put that someplace else other than on the diamond painting. Also comes with some labels and your instructions. We all know how to do this. Okay. Oops, got him upside down. There he is. Yeah. I thought that was pretty cool. Can you see him? And he's got special drills down here where these big circles are. And I don't know. It is a round, so we'll see if it has anybody or any Aurora Borealis. It's nice and soft and nice and pliable. I'm glad it didn't have the opaque cover on it. It has 31 colors, and the special drill is number 32, and that's these nice yellow ones. Ooh, okay. And they're yellow and they're flat. So those will be pretty on there. And they've kind of got an iridescent center to them. Let's see if we have any. Let me sit down here. Oh, goodness gracious. And once again, they are not in order. I don't know what's up with that. It's got some, like a charcoal gray, and then a turquoise. Well, it's like a dark seafoam green, if you will. Then a gray and a tan. And it has some AB diamonds, which is 141. And they're white with the AB on them. And I have kind of a mocha color, like a dark mocha color. And then a, oh dear, what color is that? Well, you can kind of see it's kind of a khaki brown, if you will. And then I have 823, which is kind of a dark blue, and a 938, which is a dark brown. Then I have a little lighter mocha brown. There's two mochas, another mocha, and this is kind of a middle mocha. And then I have kind of a Bronco for Denver Broncos blue, or Ford blue, whichever you prefer. And I have 2 bags of 3371. So this is round, and 2 bags of 310. So that's not too many 310s. I assumed that there would be more, but there aren't. And the canvas has the sparkles in it. And let me show you the drill field here. Let me get rid of these. I'm going to have to stand up for this. But those are some nice colors, so I think it'll turn out quite pretty. I like all the blues and the greens and the light greens, if that's the way it's going to be. I'll show you the picture up close. Let me get up here. That's the picture of it. And of course, we wouldn't expect anything less from Diamond Art Club. It has the sparkly canvas all over, and the drill field is really nice, as usual. Kind of smells a little bit, but I love it. I think it's going to be cool. I can hardly wait to start this. Yeah, I've said that about like every diamond painting that I ever open. Yeah, but I like it. I think it's pretty. I really do. And I wanted a wolf. I just hadn't picked out one yet, and I think this one's going to be the one. I thought this was going to be the wolf with the moons, but for some reason, I don't know. I thought I picked the ones out with the moons down below, and I thought, oh God, it's going to have all them 310s. So I'm kind of glad I got this one instead. I'm happy with it. I think it'll be pretty. I want to get that Wentworth. Oh boy, I'm making that worse, aren't I? Jeez, I need a bigger table, people. I have looked. We have like a secondhand store, so I keep looking. Because tables and anything made out of wood is just really outrageous. But here it is. I like this because it's kind of got an Indian effect to it. And I like that part. I do. So we'll see. And he's got a dream catcher in his mouth. I think it'll be awesome. Well, if you liked this video, thank you for joining me. And please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell so you'll know when I have my next unboxing come up. And y'all have a great day. And thank you for coming. Bye-bye. God bless.